2024 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 16,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!